I'm going to help you increase your revenue by turning your visitors into buyers. This is what I call the Grandma Clarity Test. Digital marketers spend lots of advertising dollars trying to get their visitors to the website, but when the visitors enter the website, they become lost, confused, disoriented, and then leave. Your website's costing you sales. Now let's fix this and increase your revenue now. I'm going to help you unconfuse your visitors so they stay and buy now. We're going to create clarity so your visitors understand what you offer, and we're going to turn your visitors into buyers so you can increase your revenue. Now let's unconfuse your visitors. Now your visitors are looking for an outcome or result. When they land on a page on your website and they see the outcome or result that they're looking for listed at the top of your page above the fold, then they know they're at the right place. But when they don't see the outcome or result, or if they have to look around, or if they become unsure, or if there's any other type of friction or any other type of thinking, this all leads to confusion, so they leave. Remember what we created in the Buyer Persona Quick Win Guide. We want to write in terms of the outcome or result your visitors are trying to achieve. Now for all major entry pages like the home page, landing page, category pages, blog pages, etc., place the outcome or result above the fold on both desktop and mobile. This will keep your visitors from leaving so they stay and buy. Okay, the clarity test. Show your grandmother or child your home page and other main entry pages. In just a few seconds, do they understand how the product or service will give them the outcome or result they're trying to achieve? At a glance, this is exactly what your visitors need to know. Your website's first impression should be clear enough that your grandmother or a child can figure it out. It should be that simple. So, ask your grandmother or ask a child what your main pages are about. Make sure to write in non-technical terms. Don't use acronyms, no jargon, and try to write using third-grade grammar. Use the free Hemingway app to help you with this. Now we're going to turn the visitors into buyers. Each page should direct users on what they need to do next. No need to give them the opportunity to think, just tell them what to do next. Give them a call to action so they opt into your newsletter. Purchase your product or service. Whatever you want them to do, tell them what to do on that page. Now you can use the old way of creating a button asking your visitors to buy now or add to cart, or you can use the new way by placing the outcome or result inside the button. Put the text inside the button. Here's some examples of text buttons. It's a button, and you put in there, instead of add to cart, put in there, semi-fresh kicks. Somebody wants shoes, right? Or instead of using download, put in there, download my success manual now. So they're whatever result they're going to get by pressing that button, put that term inside the button. Okay, here's where we're at. Place the outcome or result above the fold on all main entry pages for both mobile and desktop. Write in simple terms that your grandmother or child can understand. And every page should have a call to action or tell the visitor what to do next. If you would like a copy of this guide, then leave a comment below and check the description for links to other videos and other guides. If you like what you're hearing, then hit that like button and leave a comment below. Now watch this next video where I help you increase your traffic and revenue very quickly, as in today, now today, very quickly today.